Hey, I'm Tommy. Welcome to Out of the Woodwork. Today I'm going to repair this wash basin stand. I was asked by a very nice client to go over this stand and fix a couple of things that are obvious, and then also go through the rest of the stand, just make sure it was tightened up and tuned up. It's got a lot of sentimental value to her, and we're going to try to keep it in the original condition as much as we can. Let me show you a couple things that I know need to be fixed. It's pretty unstable, and I think that as far as this goes, I think we've just got a few loose legs. I need to look at those. You see on this wing nut right here that we need to, well, yep, there goes that. The dowels are missing. This is where you can hang towels. You can see the dowel is on this other side over here, and it is broken off at some point. This part is cracked really bad, and that wood insert no longer stays in there. It stayed with the screw, so we're gonna have to fix that. But other than that, I think it just needs to be tightened up, and it'll be ready to go back to her. I bought this 5/16 inch oak dowel, which fits great into the existing holes. And then as far as the color goes, I think we're gonna get lucky with this Sedona red from Minwax. At least from the picture on the front, it looks like it matches the original color really, really well. If it doesn't, we can do some experimentation, mix some stains. I've also got English chestnut, which has some red in it, and we'll just try to match it the best we can. And once we're done with the color, we'll put a couple coats of poly on it just to make the dowel match the finish of the rest of the stand, and then we'll put it together. That's it for this one. It was a quick and easy repair, but it means so much to the owner that it really makes it worth it. Click subscribe, click that bell. If you're interested in some more videos, those will be here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.